Kurinji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurinji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurinjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, good evening to everyone. This is the video regarding to the NEET topic. Already the topic we began in the last video, the topic name is the evaluation. In the first video, simply I given the only introduction and some of evidences, proofs of evaluation topic. Now this topic, this video onwards, we are entering the subject, content of the chapters. Okay, you know what is the meaning of the evaluation, the significance of why we are studying about that chapter. So this video, organic evaluation, already these word, previous video also you heard it. Herbert Spencer is given by that word is given by the Herbert Spencer. So regarding to the organic evaluation, in this universe, we want to think about the first universe. From the universe onwards up to now, what are the gradual changes are happened? How everything want to know about how it is formed. Okay, first anything is existed on that our surroundings means the existed thing origin na, then how it is formed. That is the two questions will come based on that origin and then how it is arises. These two questions evidences wise this video it will give the something clarity. Let me start today video session. See na organic evolution. So that organic evolution total completed by the two events. It contains the two events. That organic evolution total process is done on the surface of the earth. The two events are, one is the organic life, origin of life. See, I am always confusing with the origin and organic. So origin of life, and then second one evolution of life. These two statements it will give a lot of information. Origin of life. Origin of means in the first beginning places there is no any life. First time the life thing how it is happened, how it is origin, that is the thing. When that one living organism is origin on that earth surface, from that origin life onwards, how it is continuation in that they survive. Okay, how it is how they are surviving, how the what are the sequel changes are happens in their body, and then developmentation or a gradual progressive changes in the directional way that under evolution of life. Evolution means already existed thing want to continue. Here human evolution, if I used one thing, human evolution mean early man is there, from the early man onwards developed modern man, it contains with the several stages are there, correct now, that is human evolution. But if you go somewhat of several years back, for example 1 million years back, in that time there is no human being, it is maybe some of the organisms are there. From that organisms onwards gradual changes after first human beings are raised, like that. Say that is origin of life. Okay, here I am telling about regarding the human beings. Here origin of life means we want to take it first life. Okay, first is the first living thing how it is produced. Okay, so origin of life, evolution of the life, this is the two events are present in the organic of evolution. Now in this origin of life time we want to discuss about origin of universe, because our earth is one of the part in the universe. So first of all we want to think about our universe. Okay, think nana, our earth is one of the part, our earth is present in the solar system. That solar system is one of the Milky Way, present in the one of the Milky Way galaxy. That galaxy, number of galaxies are present in the universe. Okay, so we are the very minute structure. Of course we are the living thing, but according to the universal way, we are the very smallest thing. How we see in the ant, it is the very smallest small organism. Like that in this universe, if you take human being is a very small minute structure. That's all. So origin of universe, come to the point. Origin of universe about 15 to 20 million years, billion years back, not millions, billion years back. What happened means the universe, it contains the huge clusters of galaxies. You know galaxy, in the National Geography they are showing the something graphical representations, correct na? So several galaxies, very biggest, we can't measure it, the size of the universe nana. Our lifetime is not yet sufficient to the measure of our universal length. So in that universe, a clusters of galaxies are there with stars. Here star means, if you take sun is one of the star only na. Along with that clouds are we are seeing what it is like that. Clouds also presence in the upper area also. So that's why if you see in any mythological movies like god movies or scientific fiction movies, in the solar system they are showing the white color snow, that and all belongs to clouds. Along with that clouds, gases and dust, several gases, whether that gases are helium or anything other, helium gases and dust. Okay, helium, nitrogen, several gases mixture, and then dust, something dust particles. Okay, now this is the time to recall that one of the movie Interstellar. Okay, that Interstellar time they are showing that they are going some other planet to whether organism, whether they can able to survival or not, correct na? Interstellar, some of alien or these astronomical movies also is there. In Tamil one of the movie tick 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 like that, whatever it is. So this thing and that time we can able to imagine that what is the galaxy, correct na? So these galaxies containing the lot of dust. At our room, if you doesn't clean the several months, our room surface area contains, the floor contains a lot of dust. Where it is there, from which place and what is came means invisible form. In the invisible form, our environment containing with a lot of dust particles, that is present in the galaxy. This is the galaxy nature. And then now come to the continuation of universe, origin of universe. Such a type of universe, unfortunately a big bang happened. A big bang, nothing but blasting of the atomic bomb. Okay, for understanding wise I am saying, because of a universe containing lot of radioactive elements. For example, sun is one of the radioactive component. Okay, in the inside of the sun, helium ions are to form the collisions, then hydrogen will be by the collision of the helium gas, helium ions, that sun will be showing the lighting. Okay, so that is a thing, that is the radioactive reactions of the helium. So now topic, according to the Big Bang theory, okay, by that Big Bang theory is given by the Lemaitre. Okay, in the 1931, should be remember scientist names and years also. Maybe one question scientist based, one question year based. Lemaitre, this is the scientist is proposing the one origin of universe by the Big Bang theory. Okay, one of the recent scientists also, that scientist name Stephen Hawking, now not at no more, he is tell about time traveling, correct na? So by that he is also did the something, given the some of the information about the Big Bang theory, whatever it is. So according to this theory, a big collision and a big blast happens in the universe. That time cataclysmic eruptions wise, our universal divided into the several particles. Our earth also one of the part in the sun. Our earth also one of the part in the whole million years back. Our earth is evolved from the sun. That process only we call the Big Bang theory. Now when it is formed the earth, I mean a small piece dissociated from the sun by the Big Bang theory, then that piece of the earth is first beginning stages, it contains the temperature. That temperature want to come down slow, they are lowering of their temperature. The gases like hydrogen and helium also is there. I already said in the universe something gases are there. That gases hydrogen and helium. Now these gases to continue their reactions with the environmental conditions. Along with that, some of the parts of universe, they are having the something natural powers. That natural powers, gravitation. Okay, maybe that gravitation is given by contains the several elements. Think like this, our earth having the gravitation, correct na? Earth gravitation is there. How earth having that gravitation? Because of here several things are having the gravitational force. Black hole, you know na? Black hole in the universe, that also having the lot of gravitation. If any one thing is near by the black hole, means that black hole will be pull that total things into the inside of that black hole. So as like our earth also having the gravitation, by that gravitation, my explanation about the gravitation, our earth contains a lot of elements. Magnetic power elements also, magnetic power containing elements also presence in that places. So based on that element presence in the that earth, our earth having the exhibiting the gravitation phenomena, and gases also is there. Now this is the time to recalling Bermuda's triangle. You studied about the Bermuda's triangle. By the Bermuda's triangle theory, in that place more gravitation force is there. More gravitation, that is the one theory. Any one flight is going on the Bermuda's triangle, in that place totally that flight or anything, it is missing. It is one of the part in the one Pacific Ocean, some Pacific or something other ocean, particularly that it is a symbol of the triangular position, and any ship or any aeroplane moving on that surface from some distance onwards, automatically it is missing in that places. So why means that place having the lot of gravitational force on the earth. As like one of the theory also, some of the theories also is there, according to the Mayan civilization. Egyptic Munnadi, Egypt civilization is there now. We studied some of the, we seen some of the movies. According to that one, Egyptic Munnadi, Mayan civilization, they said one thing, so earth contains the several gravitational pressures, forces, that too on particular places, 12 skeletal skulls, skulls, crystal skulls, right. 12 cluster skulls they are made. That 12 cluster skulls are kept into the different places on the earth. When that 12 crystal skeletons, skulls are moving the one jointed by each other, automatically that is a time to earth collapse. Whether you know or doesn't know, when you are kids, one propaganda is came that 2012, not 2012 is the end of the 2012 December 21st, end of the year, end of the total universe. Like that several misconceptions are came basing on their Mayan civilization, because of they have prepared that calendar up to that day only. So what they thought, it means who are believing the Mayan civilization, Mayan calendar, so they can't count the after that, because of maybe that is the end point of the earth universe and earth. So that's why they believed that whatever it is. So this is the, for generally I explained these and all, but according to the Big Bang theory, our earth is formed earth formation after it contain the lot of temperature, and then gases helium and hydrogen. It contain the natural forces, that is a gravitation. Okay, after several years it's cool down regularly. If when you are boiled the water are kept in one place after boiling, okay, after 5 minutes one type of temperature is there. After half an hour if you touch it, that water mean the temperature will be low down, correct na? After 2 hours normal, maybe after 5 hours it is equal to the normal water. So how means if anything after from the heat substances onwards, it will take something long time gap, it gradually it is decreasing their temperature. Like that our earth also gradually decreasing. Okay, like that first time earth is origin. Okay, now earth onwards surrounding environment want to know now. So earth is origin at 4.5, not 45 no, 4.5 billion years back. That too it is formed in our Milky Way, galaxy Milky Way. That galaxy Milky Way contains the solar system. Okay, why we call it a solar system means our total universe, our total universe means I am telling about our Milky Way. Okay, that our Milky Way getting the light or energy from our sun. Sun is one of the component in the universe. Don't think the total universe is getting the light from the sun. Okay, sun is one of the subunit of the universe. Then that is the part in our Milky Way. Okay, but our Milky Way substances, planets and clusters are everything get the energy from the solar system. So we want to focus about our planet, solar systems wise. That our solar system contains the water molecule, vapor and methane, and then carbon dioxide, ammonia. These and all accumulated in the earth's surface. By that water vapor, later it will become a rains or falls. Rains will become to a streams. They are formed the streams and gathering their water in the one particular place accumulated. Then on the water on earth surface area, water bodies are formed. Okay, when the water bodies are formed, automatically it is giving the chance for life. So that is a reason some of the minute organisms, you studied biological classification in the 11th standard. In the biological classification, 5 kingdom classification you see. First kingdom Monera, second Protista, third fungi, fourth Plantae, Animalia. First living organisms are Monera. Which place they are exhibited? Water place only. Monera organisms are living things, are everything is belongs to water. Without water bodies, those first primitive organisms cannot survive. Okay, that is the thing. So water bodies are origin means water bodies are produced means developed means that is a chance to production of the life. Okay, that is the thing. Then come to the second point. Then we want to enter into the evolution of life. That when that water body is formed, first living organism is formed. First living organism to become a continuation of their life in the evolution of life. That evolution of life mechanism involved in the changes of the organism. Now this is the time, remember Nana, 11th standard, you studied porifera after coelenterata after Cnidaria, Ctenophora after Platy after Aschelminthis, after Aschelminthis, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata. These and all gradual changes only na. This is the animal kingdom munnadi plantalia, plants, several plant, algae, bryophyta, pteridophyta, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Adiki munnadi phylum, fungi, just mushrooms, these and all. Adiki munnadi these Protista organisms means nothing but euglenoids, these and all you see. Dadiki munnadi Monera, Nostoc, Anabina, these and all Monera. So these and all, how the unicellular organisms are, how the primitive organisms are, advanced organisms are origin, that process we can see in the evolution of the life. Then Then here chemical evolution so a new word here. Evolution, that means something is continuing. Okay, that something continuing time, how it is formed, how that continuing things are formed, that time chemical evolution. So chemical evolution tells about formation of the complex compounds from the simple compounds. See Nana, any substances or anything, either living thing or anything, that things are origin from a simple chemical forms. For understanding this, I can able to say one thing. If you are thinking about we are the body, okay, we are living things, correct na, our body, but generally think it na, our body is made up of the cells are made up of the cell membrane, cell wall. Cell membrane is made up of the proteins and lipids chemicals only na. And then come to the another thing, when you go in the DNA, chromosomes is nothing but DNA is ribonucleic acid, that is nothing but chemicals. So here chemical evolution tells about anything is formed by the formation of the complex compounds from the simple compounds, like carbohydrates. It is a complex compound, but it is formed from the glucose. Okay, as when you applicable to that is a living things, human body, multi number of cells and can able to perform the several work, but it is formed from the unicellular organisms like amoeba. So simple things onwards, complex things will be produced, but we want to tell here chemicals, the involvement of the chemicals of the formation of the living things. So that only these statements tells. And organic evolution. Okay, organic evolution means first chemical evolution wise primitive things are produced, then organic evolution. So first living things producing, after that living things will be continue of several changes, gradual changes, and to continue of increasing of their life. That only gradual changes in the occurrence in the living world. Okay, first chemical evolution time, by using of the chemicals, first primitive living things are how it is happen. Then first primitive organisms formation, after living things, after organic evolution how it is happens. That want to this one. Okay, organic evolution. And when we start about the organic evolution, there's a process is the directional evolution. Directional evolution means it is a step by step process. So here direction evolution time, what it will tells mean any evolution, whether that is a positive direction or a negative direction, whatever it is. Okay, any evolution is a step by step process, that to a gradual changes. That gradual changes maybe leads to the positive way or negative way. So based on that, if it is positive way means that we can able to say progressive, if it is negative manner means we can able to say retrogressive, and without any much more problem, that is a parallel, and destructional way means splitting way, that is a convergent. Progressive time, what will happen therimanna, increasing of the complexity, differentiation of parts. This is the time to recalling of our animal kingdom. In the animal kingdom time, first organisms are unicellular, later multicellular, next tissue level, next organ levels, organ system levels. That is the increasing of the complexity. Whether next segmentation is there and body canal system is there, like this and all. So increase the complexity in the differentiation of their body parts from the different living things. And sometimes we are thinking a positive manner. How mean human being is a advanced organism comparing the remaining organism, but some of the scientists, but my thought also like this. Here we are not developed, we are somewhat of less developed. Gradually we are going to the destructional way. Can I say one example, Nanna? Our body containing with lot of rudimentant organs. For example, once upon a time, in the cattle, appendicitis is a function, but in our body, appendicitis is a non-function. Of course, it is happened by our habitual action, but what we are thinking mean as our knowledge, intelligence is the development. We are thinking as a intelligence is the development that we wrote in the philosophy, but think it intelligence is the destruction way. So we are utilizing the intelligence in the destruction way. If now tell it who are advanced, who are better blessed, which of the organisms are not yet have the intelligence, those organisms are lead their life very happy way, but we have the intelligence, but we can't able to life very sufficiently, so happily. So now I can able to say this one retrogressive, declining of the degeneration. Maybe our intelligence will be degenerate our complexity things, and then finally it will be leads to the destructional way. That is also not degeneration. So that is a retrogressive. And parallel time, it is not much variation. It is not any construction, not at any destruction. Simply by parallelly identical conditions by the environment. Environment onwards, what we require, based on that we are adapting, then evaluation is going on. Correct only now? That is a parallel way. Sometimes convergent means by the geographical conditions. Organisms are splitted into the different places, they can able to lead their life. So this time dissimilar organisms, not same manner, dissimilar but same direction. Same direction means whether that is a progressive or retrogressive. Now you got it, Nana? So don't think human being is an intelligent person. By using of our selfishness, we created the intelligence is a great thing. But maybe by using that utility of the intelligence, it make the lot of destruction. Why I said means except human being, remaining organisms are everything. They are when they are surviving on the earth not yet spoiled. But here by entry of the human being, that to modern man entry time, automatically he destructed the lot of earth. Okay, now think it, we are going as a positive manner or a negative manner. Maybe will soon our earth will be going to become a destroy. So that is a retrogressive only now. So don't think as a educational person, as a educate, we should not be blindly believe all the philosophy in the one way. We should be understand the all directions. So by these things, chemical evolution is the first living organisms are origin from the chemicals. After one living organism evaluated, organism evolution, organisms are gradual changes will happen in the living world, and then at time directional evolution, how it will be happens, whether it is a positive way or a negative way. This is about today class. What we learned means how we started about the organic evolution. In the time how universe is origin, universe time in the universe, earth is how it is origin. On the earth, evolution of the origin of the lifetime, what are the steps we want to know, that we see in the next video. I would like to continue. Okay, right.